Hey there, hi, welcome to the channel. I am Garrett and I am so excited because in today's video, we are going to be looking at some incredible design in action from my friends at Toll Brothers. This primary suite is jaw-dropping and you have to see it. Come on with me and have a look. So we have this entryway space into the main bedroom area, and this has got me so excited because I love the idea of this being a defined seating area with the bedroom beyond. Look at how great the trim detail is in this space. We have these oversized, chunky moldings on the door casings, but then we have beautiful beams in this seating area. And this is not just a standard couch and chair, like, hey, this is the primary bedroom. There are only one or two people gonna be in here, so this is a beautiful area where two people could relax together in front of this great little fireplace here. And look at how wonderful this is. I love the contrast of a gray accent with something warm like this wood tone. This is a really simple mantle, okay? We're not doing big Christmas decorations here. This is about beautiful, modern, chic design. We have a great antiqued mirror above it, but this doesn't feel like a mirror. It feels like artwork, but it's bouncing so much light back into this space. Also, this cantilevered light fixture, come on now, come on, this is great. The black and brass details are referencing to a lot of other points in this space that are really exciting. Neutral rug, simple wooden table off to the side. The pillows are really tying the color scheme in as well. We have this dark teal color that is really beautiful, and then all of the beautiful soft warm oatmeal tones that are tying back into some of the artwork in the space. Have a look at the main bedroom area though, because wow, just wow. I am loving this wall detail. Obviously, you know I'm gonna love it because this is the definition of spectacular design. This is the same cabinetry color that is in the kitchen, but we have extra deep windowsills here. Look at, you don't see this often, especially not here in Vegas. So it's a really wonderful detail with great rolling blinds and this beautiful textured material. The artwork above the bed is great, tying in a lot of the colors, but it's really the sconces here on either side of it that are selling the design for me. It just looks beautiful and built in, layered and luxurious. You could pivot these a little bit, use them as reading lights. You can flip them on and off, that's great. We have some built-in nightstands here. Listen, you're not gonna get a big lamp here, but it's enough space where you could set your glasses down and have a drink sitting there when you wake up in the morning. That's wonderful. Look at the texture of this headboard though. This is beautiful. This is great. It's not a boucle, it's not a tweed, it's something in between, but the tones of it are wonderful. We have a little bit of brown, a little bit of gray, a little bit of that oatmeal that's really beautiful. And it's tying in with all of the bedding on this bed. Look at how layered this is, okay? We have this piece here. This is the comforter and it extends under the pillows. We have this matching sham here. This is a different one that matches probably this quilt here, or this duvet I should say. This is a great oatmeal color in a linen texture. That's wonderful. We have ruffles on the edges here. It's all about these layered details. Bench at the foot of the bed. I mean, look at this. Look at how great this is. It's beautiful. The wood tones are wonderful. It extends all the way to the edge to edge. Look at, and the rug. Oh, there's so many things I could talk about here. I love that the accent color in this space is teal because it's not what we've seen in the rest of the house if you've watched those videos, but it's something elevated and unexpected. If you are looking to create elevated design with an unexpected detail, or you have something in your home that's a little niche and maybe not everybody knows how to work with, you need a designer on your side, a designer like me. You could always book a one-on-one interior design consultation to elevate and upgrade your home with some great design ideas. So book that using the link in the description box down below, or go to intro.co/GarrettLeChic. We've got a great little dresser here off to the side. You could do something probably a little larger. You could put a television above it if you wanted to. This is great for styling. It's a contrasting wood tone that's a little different than what we see in the rest of the home, but it's really these great shapes that are soft and round that are referencing back to the shape of this mirror. Look at how interesting this is. It almost has a barn door style hardware on top that you're just not expecting to see, but I love the curved shape here underneath. All of the accessories are great. It's the teal though. That's just so interesting to me. And look at how it references back to this pillow. We have a little bit of green, we have a little bit of this soft blue here. Not teal, but the two of them combined actually read the same and it looks like a match. Vaulted ceilings in this bedroom make it feel open and large, but this light fixture, Come on, you guys, look at how great this is. I love the ribbed glass detail of it, the milk glass detail, so you're not looking at exposed bulbs. All of the brass hardware is just wonderful. It looks industrial and modern and chic, but the milk glass rib detail is actually very traditional, so it has a timeless feel to it. And you can see the bed is not centered on this wall here, so we have a little bit of space off to the side where we have a seating area and a bookcase that's integrated into it. This is great. This is just spectacular. I mean, look at how wonderful this is. I love the shelves. I love how the shelf is recessed just a little bit in as where the window frame and trim projects out. It's just an interesting little detail there, some contrast, even though it's a small, small detail. We have cabinetry underneath with black hardware. I love how soft the contrast of the black is on this wood tone. It's referencing back to a lot of these accessories we have. Once again, like I said, instead of using teal, they used blue and green in this space with a teal rug. So we've got a little bit of blue here in this little bowl here. This is wonderful. Some soft white tones and gold details to reference back to what's in the rest of the space. That's beautiful. The texture on these chairs here. Look at how interesting this is. Such a great chair. So comfortable. Oh my God, it swivels. The chair swivels. The texture on this is referencing back to the texture on the bed and some of the pillows. This pillow itself is also really wonderfully textured with black, gray, tan, camel, and cream in it. Really beautiful here. Black accent table, a small plant, and a wonderful view. Now the balcony out here is wonderful. It's a little bit windy here in Vegas today, so we're not gonna have a look at that, but what we are gonna see is the gorgeous primary bathroom. Come on with me. Every true primary suite needs to have great closets, a great closet. And here we have a his and hers, or a his and his, or a hers and hers, and we love that. They're beautiful, spacious, large closets, but they're closets nevertheless. We need to focus on the bathroom because really that's where everything is happening. This bathroom is really where all of the magic is happening, and these details are so spectacular, you have to see them. Come on over here and look at them. Let's start with this coffee bar. Same cabinetry as the kitchen. This countertop is a little different. It's got more blue tones in it, more of those blue, green, teal tones that are really beautiful. We also have the loading shelves here. That's a great detail to have. And they do have LED lights on them, and that's really wonderful too. To have that in a little area like this, it's a selfish detail that really makes a difference. Come here and look at this. This detail here, this is not stone. This is wallpaper. This is wallpaper all over this wall. This is beautiful, and it just is so cool. It's so interesting, and I want you to see all of the wood paneling and trim detail here. It's elevated above these windows, but all of the windows above are encased in this spectacular wood detail that extends above both vanities. Now, keep in mind, this is a vaulted ceiling here, so one side is a lot lower than the other. This is a great way to balance it out. That's unexpected, so interesting, and it just feels, you know, expensive and elegant and elevated in here. I mean, this is really, really just gorgeous. Everybody loves a freestanding bathtub. They're great. This is extended a little bit out from the wall, making it super easy to clean behind it, which is really great. This soft matte black hardware. It's great. This is wonderful. And I love the view of this hallway leading right to this bathtub. Yeah, your neighbors will get a spectacular view too. Maybe we'll throw on some window treatments, but all of the light coming in here is gonna be wonderful when you're actually getting ready. Come over here and look at the vanity. This is wonderful. We've got that same blue-green stone countertop. In the kitchen, we had much thicker edges on the countertop. Here's a little bit thinner, but it's really working in our favor. This is a top-mounted sink. It's not a vessel sink, it's top mounted, so it's beautiful. It feels like an accessory, a piece of decor sitting on top of this here, but it's also oversized, so you're not gonna get the splashing issues you would have with a vessel sink, and I think that's a really wonderful design detail if you're looking to add a little bit of interest. The mirrors are built in and framed in the same wood as the cabinetry, and we also have like a board and batten detail happening here where this extends up and then there's a grid across. That's really beautiful. sconces on either side. Actually, these are not sconces, these are pendant lights on either side. That's a really beautiful modern detail you can incorporate into your home. It looks spectacular, it's really wonderful. And when you have very tall ceilings like we do in this bathroom, it's not always conducive to proper lighting to have, you know, like a fixture just overhead. We need a little more. Even sconces, we'd have to get really large sconces on the wall to make them feel balanced, as where these hanging pendants really make sense in this space and they accent this mirror beautifully. They're right here where I can see my gorgeous, incredible reflection in this mirror lighted perfectly. Let's just end the video now. I mean, it doesn't get better than this. The only thing you could do that would be better is to hit the subscribe button and join us. Become a part of our GarrettLeChic family. We are a community of design lovers and we'd love to have you as a part of us. You could also share this video with a friend. Maybe they're renovating their home. They're looking for some primary bedroom ideas. This would be a great one. I'd also greatly appreciate if you gave this video a like. Now look at how wonderful the details of this shower are. I love all of the marble flooring used in this space, and there's a combination of different shapes and sized pieces of tile that are really elevated and just feel interesting, kind of unique. And they've extended that into the shower with these elongated tiles, but they're not like in a brick pattern on their side. Like, that's weird. They're very vertical feeling, which makes the ceiling in this space feel even taller. And then the tile on the floor is a mosaic square marble, the same variant of it, but it's got a little bit of movement to it that you don't see in these larger pieces that are really, really giving what the shower needs. And it's making it feel like it's a part of this bathroom, which you don't often see in these kind of luxury spaces. And I think it's really beautiful. I love the black hardware in here being consistent with what's in the rest of the house. It's also serving as a great contrast and a modern detail on all of this beautiful marble. We've also got gorgeous glass here, not a shower curtain, not in a luxury bathroom. The glass is beautiful and it's oversized. I love the door with the matte hardware on it as well. And I hope you took note that this marble on the wall is the same marble that's on the floor out here. And then we have a different marble on the floor in the shower. It's giving layers, it's giving details, it's giving reference points, and that makes me so happy. Now come have a look over here. We've got the same vanity detail with the sitting area here, and I love a big oversized drawer here. That's great. Oh, not the soft close, it's giving. Look at this stool here. This is beautiful, great texture here. It's referencing back to the beautiful texture we have in the main bedroom area. Same quartzite, leatherized, I should say, countertops, but it's really the wood detail that extends all the way up this ultra tall side of the bathroom. It's just spectacular, it's beautiful. This is great design in action, and it brings me so much joy to see something beautiful like this happening in this space. It's bright, it's fresh, we have a lot of great light coming in. Beautiful window treatments here on a roller blind. This looks really great, and it's giving the privacy that you might need in this bathroom because we've got some great views of the other homes in the neighborhood as well. But it's really the texture and the finish in it, the detail that has a reference point back to what's happening in the rest of the primary suite, but the color of it is referencing back to the countertop material and this wallpaper. Honestly, when I first walked in here, I was like, oh, I love how much stone they use. Like, it's giving what needs to be given. This is wallpaper. This is wallpaper that looks like a stone. This is such a great detail to bring into a bathroom like this. It's beautiful, it creates softness, and it's just another layered detail that a lot of people would overlook. Everybody would have just left this wall a big white wall. Not here, not Toll Brothers. They did something really spectacular. Well, there you have it, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this space. This is real design in motion, in life, and I hope you got some inspiration from it. Be sure you check out this video right here for another tour of this beautiful home, another space you absolutely have to see, and you click this button to hit subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. And by the way, thanks for watching.